A 4.7% rise in Zcash is expected by March 6 based on CoinLore metrics. To start, here's how the movement looks at this stage. As of the latest update, Zcash is up 6.4% in the past 24 hours and is trading close to $235.74. We now turn to the analyst predictions. According to Gov Capital Collector, the price could drop to $229.69 by March 6, a decrease of about 2.6%. Coin price forecast projects Zcash will trend higher toward $237, a projected increase of 0.5%. Digital coin price highlights the possibility of testing $240.36, marking a gain near 2%. Another prediction from CoinLore notes Zcash may rise toward $246.76, an estimated move up of 4.7%. And lastly, 30 rates projects the price at $261 by March 6, which is 10.7% above today's price. This is the top return projection of all we covered. That's 5 different outlooks covered. Let's keep going. Here's how the 5 forecasts translate into numbers and probabilities. Based on the forecasts examined today, the expected price variation could be from a drop of 2.6% to a rise of 10.7%, depending on the analyst. In short, 30 rates has the highest projected return with 10.7% gain in value by tomorrow. Based on these forecasts, you could earn between $5 and $107 for every $1,000 you invest. From a probability perspective, coin price forecast has the most dependable forecast, showing a 99.2% chance of success. By analyzing all 5 forecasts, I've put forward a consensus view. The consensus figure points to Zcash at approximately $242.96. Here's a closer look at the numbers. The consensus outlook indicates a potential 3.1% increase. To make it clear, your capital may rise by roughly 3.1% as well, in alignment with that outcome. For a 1,000 setup, the forecast might correspond to $31 gained. In turn, the probability of the consensus forecast holding up is around 97.1%. Right now, let's look at how analysts expect the price to move over the next 3 days. Gov Capital Collector projects calm trading conditions, with Zcash anchored around today's levels. Coin price forecast notes that Zcash could push higher. For the days ahead, similarly, digital coin price signals further gains. Similarly, CoinLore points to a bullish course in the days ahead. Additionally, 30 rates anticipate Zcash following a bullish course. Taking into account the full range of analyst opinions, the consensus signals an upward path for Zcash across this 3-day horizon. Bringing all opinions together, the majority view suggests that Zcash is more likely to trend upward during the coming 3 days. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were posted. Now we'll see how they compared with the actual price. As a result, the market wrapped up at $243.43. With the price moving that way, all 5 predictions were correct about the direction. As far as accuracy goes, 30 rates stood out on top. Time to unpack the outcome. Every forecast was within the day's trading range. For ROI, the entire group delivered profits, and 30 rates had the highest return at 2.8%. Here's the full overview with every analyst's performance side by side. Looking at performance, the forecast probability for 30 rates was 97.3%, with accuracy and 2.8% ROI. See if you can find the analyst who was most on point. Now you can see how Zcash compares with other assets in the forecasted returns for tomorrow. Among all forecasted returns, Zcash is in first place with 3.1%. Here Zcash is shown next to 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended profitability table and full analyst statistics will be released soon on my website and Telegram. That's all for now. Subscribe to keep the chain going and see the full picture. See you in the next update.